So welcome back to my channel guys. Ito po si Ivan Isley at ngayong araw mag-unbox ako ng Mi True Wireless Earphone 2 Basic. I got it from Lazada for 1,264 pesos. So itong earphones na to, wireless earphone, ay naglalast ng 20 hours with 4 times charging. So yeah, shout out to the Xiaomi. So unbox natin guys. So upon opening the box guys, ito yung USB Type-C. Ito po ay applicable sa mga fast charge phones in the market right now. Yan, hindi micro USB kasi ang tagal mag-charge. At yung manual guys. And upon sliding the you can see the charging box. Ito yung charging box guys. So ito yung charging box. Yan. At ito yung pinakamalupit, yung main product natin guys. Yan, yung dalawang yan. So napaka guys, kung nakakita na kayo, nakahawak o nakagamit ng yung mga i7 TWS True Wireless, yung mala Airpods type, halatang plastic talaga yun kasi ito guys, ito kasi honestly guys, para siyang guys, matte finish guys. Hindi ko alam kasi ang gaan niya guys, like napakasarap sa pakiramdam. At ito yung charging box guys, pakita ko sa inyo. So upon opening guys, ang hirap pag isa lang kamay gamit guys. Makita yung LED indicator guys. So ito yung sa left, magnetic na din dito guys. Yan, magnetic yan guys. So ito yung mag-charge siya. Ito yung charging port niya. So try natin guys makonect sa, may phone ako dito na Xiaomi ginamit ko, at ito ay destroyed Xiaomi. Ito ay Note 4X Snapdragon 500 or 625 siguro ito. So ayun. So upon pairing guys, click lang natin o touch or hold for 3 seconds. So ayan, may dalawang magbi-blink. So sa phone guys, tingnan natin yung yan, Mi TW2 Basic, connecting and said connected. So guys, may features ito. Hindi ko maparinig sa inyo ngayon kasi wala pa akong microphone. Pero kapag guys, kapag nasa tenga niyo itong dalawa, at guys, pag tinanggal niyo ulit, magpo-pause ng music, at kapag binalik niyo sa tenga niyo ulit, nagpa-play agad yung napaka-responsive nito guys. So may touch controls dito guys, hindi na yung hindi na like dun sa Redmi AirDots nga talagang ipipress mo yung button dito. Yan, hard press, kasi ito touch control na ito. So try natin ang music guys. Music maestro. So try natin yung Post Malone. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Narinig nyo ba guys? Yan. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-pause. So, nilagay ko sa tenga ko guys. So guys, itry ko gagamitin ko ito sa Redmi Note 9S ko. So, cut ko muna. So this is my voice without the microphone with earphone headset. So this is my voice with the earphones 2 basic from Xiaomi. So guys, kung gumanda ba yung ko, so please subscribe to my channel for more videos. At soon baka may unboxing ako ng ibang product, kaya i-unbox ko kung anong i-order ko, i-review ko yan. So kapag narinig nyo ako guys, so yeah, so if you want to order guys, I will drop a link down below from Media official store from Lazada. So yeah, and thank you for watching guys. Susunod na so until the next video guys, salamat sa panonood. Chup chup, subscribe please. Peace out. Peace.